Hello friend, I am Emlal Sapota. I am from Best PT Center. I am PT tutor here at Best PT Center. Please subscribe my channel if it is not subscribed yet, and I will be grateful to you if you subscribe my channel. Okay, in order to get new updates, please subscribe my channel. So friend, so far we have been discussing about different part of PT, speaking and reading, but today we are discussing about one of the most important tasks of PT, listening, right from dictation. Right from dictation incorporates high marks in PT. We know well that right from dictation contributes high marks for listening as well as writing. Those students who get less mark in writing, definitely they have done or they did some mistake in right from dictation. So what are the tips, tricks and strategies for right from dictation? First of all, you need to be ready. Be ready. The audio status box will count down from 7 seconds. Then try to understand the meaning of the sentence. And if you understand the meaning of the sentence, you can write easily in your copy. If you are very good at typing, you can directly type to your computer. If not, please write in your copy. And while writing, you need to check your spelling. You need to check your punctuation parts. Punctuation, especially spelling, grammar, comma, full stop, question mark, capital letter, small letter. Some students they listen, but they don't care about the part of grammar, and they just copy their sentence and leave that, and they will get less mark in test. So in order to achieve high marks in writing and listening, you need to write the perfect sentence there. So if you write the perfect sentence, then you can achieve high marks in the test. So focus on the meaning. Focusing on the meaning is very important there. And if you focus on the meaning, you can write the sentence well. While writing, be careful about the different parts of the grammar: adjective, adverb, noun, pronoun, and so on. So write perfectly and check your sentence. You need to construct your sentence there. Construct. This part of session is not supported by documentation. This is one sentence. This part of session is not supported by documentation. This part of session is not supported. Is not supported. Is not supported. Then supported verb. You have to use verb to there. Supported is not is this passive. This is given the passive voice. Session is not supported by documentation. Documentation by noun. After documentation, there is full stop. This part, T capital letter. So be careful about the part of punctuation while writing. Some students they can write directly. Just they can write, and if you are good at memory, if you remember well, then you can write that directly. But some students they feel difficult. So try to understand meaning and write however you can understand. You can write very fast too, if you like. If you can write that, you can write the way that you can understand. And later you construct the words and get very good sentence, and type very good sentence at computer. And if you do so, you will definitely achieve high marks in the test. So these are the strategies in order to write the sentence perfectly. So follow these strategies and get good marks in the test. Okay friend, thank you for watching this.